What is up, YouTube? This is going to be my first YouTube video. I'm going to be washing my car, going to a car meet, hopefully taking some cool shots for you guys. So let's get it. Guys, the car is now all washed up and ready to go. Polish of the car. I'm gonna polish it up real quick. I'm probably gonna try the Meguiar's quick detailer. Yeah, it's looking good. So see you guys at the meet. And decided to go to some old mining town in Columbia, California. Let's go check it out. Let's see what's. We're gonna check out this spot. I remember coming back on a field trip here about, I want to say maybe 10 years ago. Just need some dental work. Maybe I should swing by, get my teeth fixed. You guys want some drugs? I feel like I'm back in I feel like I'm in Red Dead Redemption. What kind of drugs you want, guys? They got what you need. Alright guys, that's it for this first video. Thank you for watching. If you made it to the end, hit that like, and then see you in the next one.